Just with these 4 notes, I was able to play 4 professional sounding chords and make a lo-fi demo that sounds like this. All of this was possible without any music theory, clicking notes for hours, or playing the piano. This is RIP Chord, a free plugin that allows you to import chord banks, and with one note, you can generate professional sounding chords like this. And using our new chord bank, you can generate lo-fi girl-like chords in just seconds. Let me show you how. Before this, we need to choose the right sounds. My favorite pianos are the Imagero piano, Lab Soft piano, Keyscape, or Tina. Then, we need to connect the plugin to RIP Chord to generate the sound just like this. See, when I press a note, it generates a sound. Now from our chord bank, let me choose one of the presets for the demo. Each preset is its own genre, and for this, let's do study lo-fi. Before this, let me show you the draft we made before adding the chords. The drums come from our kit called Ultimate Breaks, and for a limited time, you can get it free with our chord bank. Then I've layered some ambience that I recorded, and it's also included in the bonus section of this pack. Now, typically lo-fi chords are inspired by jazz chords. So, to cut short the process of learning all these various jazz chords, we have given you over 50 chords that you can use and make a demo. Now, we have 4 notes, and let's record a chord progression for the draft. I have also added the strum feature and kept the velocity at random. You can also drag and drop the MIDI and edit it like this. Let's hear what we made. Sounds pretty good for a demo. I can hear some guitar and pads or vocals on it. Now let me add it and show you how it sounds like. Before I show you the final demo, if you want to grab a Diamond RIP Chord bank that has over 25 presets and 750 plus chords, click the first link from below, and the first 20 people get access to 50 premium drum breaks and a $15 gift card that you can use for your next purchase. See you in the next one.